a clean prescription restart plan your body's been asking for a long time. So when you look in the mirror, I'm going to challenge you this. You may see clean skin, right? It all looks beautiful. But if you take a closer look, a little magnifying glass action here, right? You may still see, oh, look at that. Look at those lips. Ah, there's lipstick. And the lipstick makeup, it can be left behind. And then look at even closer look over here at the skin. Look at this. Right? Dirt and sweat. Those are your sweat pores. See the pores over there? Sweat glands, they're actually clogging up with all the stuff you put on your skin and things you haven't cleaned off it. So today, we are deep cleaning your skin like never before with a new customized skin regimen just for your skin type that you can do in under 10 minutes. And we got board-certified dermatologist Doris Day here to help you clean it all up with the clean essentials you all need. Thanks for being here.
Wait, thank you for having me.
So, there's a statistic you may not have all seen yet, but I'll make sure you hear it from me. 66% of women, 2/3 of women, do not wash their face at night. They say it's too complicated.
Well, there is so much to use on the skin. It's really hard to know what to do. But the most important first step is to start with a clean face. Because makeup left on your skin and pollution from the day, which is unavoidable, can do a lot of harm to the skin and can even age your skin.
You don't want that. So, Doris Day, Dr. Day, has a 10-minute deep clean regimen that anyone can fit into their schedule. And she's customized all these issues by your skin concerns. First up, clean regimen for skin prone to acne. Take a look at Lisa's photo.
Right.
This is Lisa. A little bit active there. She's here in person here, right? So how has acne affected your skin, your face, your life?
It's ridiculous. I'm 45 and I break out like a teenage boy. And I put way too much makeup on to cover it up, and I end up looking older at the end of the day.
Well, I think you look very youthful,
Thank
personally.
you very much.
But I know you don't want the acne. And by the way, none of the women are wearing any makeup, so I appreciate your braveness and honesty for that. So what's the solution here? What's the clean skin prone?
So we've made a Himalayan salt coarse scrub to help clean the face, because Himalayan salt has 84 trace elements that are found in the body. It'll help remove some of those toxins from the skin. So I use honey, which is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and you kind of make a thick goop out of it, right? And then you'll just gently apply it to the skin and then just gently exfoliate. It's not too abrasive or too coarse, and you can just see it wiping off the bacteria getting into the pores and really removing the toxins from the skin. I don't really like using the word toxins in the skin, but all the elements in the skin, and then applying a gentle hydrating moisturizer with hyaluronic acid, you're helping the skin rebalance on its own.
Smells amazing.
Feels okay?
Yeah.
Do the rest. I'm curious how it's going to look.
All right.
We'll come back.
It's going to feel really good.
And keep it out of your hair. Put it in your hair. It's terrible. So mean of her. All right, next, we got the clean regimen for skin prone to redness. This is Edith's photo. There's Edith with a picture of her driving over here. Dr. Day, what do you do to clean up the skin? And when this happens to their skin, how will this address those issues?
So part of redness has to be, sometimes it's a condition called rosacea. So we have prescription medicines that work, but in the clean ingredients, I look for soy-based products because soy is anti-inflammatory, anti-redness, and very soothing to the skin. So I just made a non-foaming cleanser using ingredients like olive oil, or you can use safflower oil, and oats ground up very fine to make a very soft cleanser. And I'll just put a little bit on your skin so you can kind of see what that feels like and what I want the consistency to be. So this feels nice and soft, right?
It feels great. It's
hydrating her skin, and it's brightening, and it's soothing.
And how long till she sees a benefit?
If she does this every day, you can already see a little bit of less redness just from having this on, but it does take a few days to really have that.
All right. Oh, enjoy it.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. And finally, a clean regimen for skin prone to wrinkles. This is Tracy's photo. Now, I have to say, I don't see many wrinkles there, but Tracy didn't like them, and I know Tracy's like so many of you. I mean, don't all skin types have a little bit of wrinkles at some point?
Well, wrinkles are not the enemy, but 90% of how your skin ages is under your control. It's about sun exposure and lifestyle options. So if you use sunscreen every day all year round, you will have fewer wrinkles and your skin will look better. So sunscreen is really important, and being gentle to your skin too.
So, Tracy, you're only 40. Should I could share your age?
Yes.
And I think you look great. But why are you worried about wrinkles?
Well, because if I don't stop them now, they're just going to get worse.
So preemptive strike.
Yes.
All right, so what's the smart thing for us all to do, no matter our age?
So it is important to know one thing is that older is better. So I kind of think that as we get older, we can look even more beautiful. And having lines and wrinkles does not necessarily make you less beautiful. But we want to understand them and understand where they're coming from so we can help direct the underlying source. And where there's wrinkles, there's also usually sunspots and things that can make the skin look dull. So I look for ingredients. Honey, again, anti-inflammatory, soothing. Lemon is brightening. And whole milk yogurt has lactic acid, which helps to gently exfoliate and also to brighten. So you're going to make this into a mask. I won't put it on your skin because it's a little bit messy. You'll leave this on no more than 5 minutes.
We're going to start you off here.
Oh, you are?
Yes. Well, she's insisting. She didn't come here to talk to.
All right.
While we go to break, I'm going to do this all out. You can eat the leftovers, by the way.
You can.
We're going to put the complete regimen for all 3 skin types online. Endorses new book is called Beyond Beautiful. There's a cover of it. Looks fantastic. You get lots more of these about these regimens, plus new ways to fight aging skin. And guess what? I wrote the endorsement on the back. That's how much I like the work that she's doing. We'll be right back.